how would I know she wasn't going to comply with that?
You wouldn't, but if the officers take her out and they're injured, because that's why we're second guessing now.
He didn't ask her to get out of the vehicle.
He doesn't have to. The officers are given great latitude to do their job.
What you're arguing to the court is that the officer, upon some assessment, can take some preemptive strike. Sir, please come forward and be sworn.
Manager of the Washington County Sheriff's Office.
And how long have you been in that position?
In that position since 2021.
I'm going to have some questions about incident in the jail, Washington County Jail, March 18th of 2024, specific to ASR.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Miller, you obtained a number of videos.
You just cracking one. So I want to get you in.
What sticks out to you?
And so when I looked at the actions and the interactions involved in this,
Tell me a bit about ASR itself, and you've talked about when it is appropriate to use, but what is the effect of it?
it's basically a combination of like CS gas, agent, a chemical agent that creates an irritant, so it momentarily incapacitates a person.
Pain, right? It causes pain.
Absolute pain.
Okay.
Yeah, the standard preliminary exam is simply they have to produce evidence to the level of probable cause or evidence that probable cause to each element could be inferred from the evidence presented. He wanted to get her out of the car in a manner in which she didn't fight with the officers and the officers weren't hurt, and it was successful.
As I look at it, how would I know she wasn't going to comply with that?
You wouldn't, but if the officers take her out and they're injured, then you're second guessing saying, why didn't you use the pepper spray to get her out? Because that's why you have it to distract her.
No. But I wouldn't
Judge,
be
I have
second
to,
guessing.
yes, because that's why we're second guessing now.
No, I don't think we're second guessing. I mean, the issue becomes, he didn't ask her to get out of the vehicle.
He doesn't have to.
He doesn't say, we're going to take you out of the vehicle.
But Judge,
Keep saying he doesn't have to.
Right.
Counsel, just because you say it doesn't make it true. What he does, what you're arguing to the court is that the officer, upon some assessment, can take some preemptive strike because he believes that something is going to happen that hasn't yet happened.
Well,
I'd like to see, there's a
even the-
case law that gets me
the
there.
policies and procedures provide for that. It happens in the jail all the time, Judge.
In this case, where are you drawing the line?
The policies say it's up to the officer's discretion. They don't have to give a warning as long as, there's
If the
certain things.
court would determine that what you're saying is,
Mhm.
yes, they have discretion, which could be used as a factor to determine whether or not there's depravity or corrupt behavior.
Well, Your Honor,
That then,
I'll leave it.
go ahead.